Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of large language models, or LLMs for short. But what exactly is an LLM? Imagine you have a super smart friend who's read billions of books and articles. That's kinda what an LLM is like. Now let's talk about the first step in training an LLM, data collection. Think of data as the fuel for our model's brain. Without good data, our model won't learn. Just like a chef needs quality ingredients to cook a delicious meal, we need a diverse and rich data set. Once we have our ingredients, we need to clean and prepare them. This step is called pre-processing. It's like washing and chopping veggies before cooking. We remove noise, duplicate entries, and irrelevant information to ensure our model learns from the best. All right, let's get into the fun part, tokenization. This is like breaking down sentences into manageable pieces. Imagine you're reading a book, but you only want to focus on keywords. Tokenization helps the LLM understand language structure, kind of like how we learn to read by recognizing words. So we've got our clean data and tokens ready. Now what? We need to choose the right architecture for our LLM. Think of it like choosing a blueprint for a house. The architecture determines how our model will learn and which structures it will use to understand language. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, training the model. Here's where we feed in all the data and let the model learn. This can take days, weeks, or even months. During training, the model tries to predict the next word in a sentence, learning from its mistakes along the way. After our model has been trained, it's time for fine-tuning. This is like sending our robot chef to culinary school after they've learned basic cooking. We adjust the model's parameters with specialized datasets so it can perform specific tasks better. Now that we've got our fine-tuned model, we need to evaluate how well it performs. This is like tasting a dish after cooking. Did it turn out well? We use metrics like accuracy and perplexity to see if the model's responses are coherent and meaningful. Finally, we've reached the last stage, deployment. This is where we showcase our model to the world, just like a chef presents their new dish to guests. We integrate the trained model into applications or services where users can interact with it. And there you have it, folks. We've taken a long but fascinating journey through the steps of training a large language model. Remember, if you're interested, you can start small and build your own model. You've got this! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Comment below if you have any questions or what AI topic you want to explore next.